dramatic, bold, and glamorous appearance. Enhance the importance in creating looks. Yes, so Arabic makeup, it's focusing on the eyes. Why it's like this? Because of history again. So, well, as makeup artists, you should study history and international areas like culture, okay? Then you understand different culture makeup, okay? So like Arabic, why are they focusing on the eyes so much? Because the culture and hiding faces, okay? So because religion and women's really not have a interaction with the men, yes, very like secure. They have only one connection with the men by the eyes.
Okay.
Because they cover faces.
Yes.
So they have to enhance, and they can show only eyes. They cannot show full face.
Only show eyes.
Yes, they cover like this. Yes.
Okay.
That's why they really enhance the eyes, because by the look contact you can have a connection. Yes.
Okay.
And why we have this Arabic eyeliner? Yes, with inner corner, striking look, because it's more attractive. It's more drama in the eyes.
Okay.
Yes. And Arab women like different techniques, like smoky eyes, classical lift or half smoky, kajal in the waterline. Yes. Different eyeliner techniques. This what intensified eyes. Create intensive and defined eyes look. So one of the techniques we call cut crease.
Cut crease.
Yes. There is so many different cut crease variations. We all have sometimes only cut crease classes. You understand? Because we have, you see, cut crease with the open wing and closed wing. Yes, and colorful cut crease as well. But this is typical cut crease technique for the Arabic bridal. Then we have smoky eyes. This is also very popular. And you can see these three variations. Okay, the first picture is black smoky, which was popular like 10 years ago.
Okay.
Today, this very intensive color is a little bit out of fashion.
Out of fashion. Smoky eyes.
No, black.
Black eyes.
Now we have a smoky like that.
Okay.
Okay, it's more blended. It's more using transition colors, brown, not so heavy.
Okay.
Okay, time is changed. What was 10 years ago not popular anymore. Today, you have to think about this. Okay, and soft smoky, soft with the color. This is what is popular today. This is out of fashion, but I show you so you know. Okay, because some ladies who are still following old fashion, you need to know that they like it. Yeah, okay?
Okay.
Now we have classical lift. This is classical.
Classical.
Or another name of this techniques is half smoky.
Half smoky.
Yes. We call it classical lift. Why? Because it gives a lifted techniques, lifted eyes look.
Okay.
Yes. But at the same time, we have a lot of light in the eye. That's the difference between smoky and classical lift. Smoky is very intense. Yeah, very intense. There is no light.
Black.
Yeah. That's why women's change into more softer variation. Which you can see eyeliner, smoky eyeliner, yes? Because women feel they need, how to say, more dark shades in the face, more age they gives. You want to be younger. That's why women start to put more light in the face. More light, more you look younger.
Younger.
Okay?
Okay.
So no dark smoky.
Okay.
Soft smoky, half smoky. Then is really good. You see here we have a natural color and here we have lifted eye shape.
Eye shape.
Yes, which is foxy look.
Foxy.
Foxy, yes. Now, with the classical lift, when we see the darker out corner, lighter inner corner, you still can add Arabic eyeliner.
Okay.
This is combination of Arabic eyeliner with classical lift.
Okay.
Okay? This is classical lift but without eyeliner. Okay? Only inner corner. You see this?
Okay.
Okay, then we have a different eyeliners. Arab women know well for Arabic eyeliner. This is very classical, old-fashioned eyeliner.
Okay.
Yes, but this is the beginning.
Big.
The beginning of our eyeliners, and now we have today
Professional.
kind of this.
Yes.
Yes, more refined.
More refined.
Yeah, more refined.
Wing liners, satin
Yeah.
liners.
So what we have? We have smoky eyeliner.
Okay.
This is eyeliner but smoked out.
Merge. Smudge.
We call smudge or smoky.
Okay.
Okay. This is also smoky eyeliner but with tail. This is without tail. This is with tail. Okay. Then we have a double eyeliner.
Double liner.
You see, we have two wings,
2 wings. Okay.
two tails.
Sharp wings.
Yes. Two out corner and inner corner.
Yes.
This is typical Arabic.
Yes.
Then we have half smoky, this upper lid smoky, and the low lid, especially in the inner corner, is graphic. Do you understand? Graphic
Yes.
liner and smoky eyeliner.
Okay.
And this is combination of both of them. This also double eyeliner, but only in out corner. So you can see, you can do inner corner, out corner, or only out corner.
Corner.
This is a little bit softer variation. And here we have a very strong graphic black eyeliner and the low lash colorful eyeliner.
Colorful liner.
This combination also. Do you see how many different eyeliner techniques and creativity we can have only with eyeliner?
Okay.
Yeah? Let's talk about eyelashes. Arab women love eyelashes, but not only Arab women. I think all the world, eyelashes is something which never go
Enhance beauty.
Yeah.
Yes.
Eyelashes never go out of fashion.
Out of it.
Why? Because it's part of the eye. Correct?
Correct.
Hello, darling.
How are you guys?
Nice to meet you.
How are you? How did you guys reach to here?
No, like a plane.
Really?
Eyes fly.
It's like I'm the only one who was struggling.
Probably. No, I didn't struggle.
The roads were closed. I have to go around and around and around.
Oh, from which area?
Downtown.
Oh, downtown. Sport City, well, Hassa Road, clean. No problems.
So,
We are lucky, yes.
obviously,
Yeah,
waiting
city.
for your signal.
Yes, we in the middle of our tour and we start very soon. So, feels artificial eyelashes or volumizing mascara will adding drama.
Upper lashes and lower lashes.
Mhm.
Same fashion.
Well, but we also need to know that eyelashes also have a fashion.
Fashion.
What was popular 10 years, 7 years ago is not anymore popular today.
Yes.
So let's see. You see in this picture, The lash is almost touching eyebrow. It's a bit too
Yes,
much,
yes.
yeah, and is hiding all eye makeup techniques.
Hide.
Hiding.
Yes.
This is not good, and this is not popular anymore.
Yes.
So now we go
Very large.
Yeah,
lashes.
too much large. It's just hiding all eye.
Yes.
So we have now a little bit softer variation of still bold, still enhanced eye beauty, but not too dramatic, not too crazy,
Yes.
right? So eyelashes must complement eye makeup or not destroy. Okay, so no eyelashes
Yes.
till the eyebrow. No. Right? So you have to always see the natural lashes what your woman have and enhance by give a more volume, thickness. It can be a little bit longer but not too long as the natural lashes is.
Yes.
To not cover
Very true.
eye makeup. So I knew one makeup artist who was very good 10 years ago, but because she was good, because she put a lot of lashes. And then that time was very fashionable. But the fashion, yeah, but fashion go,
Go.
and makeup artist didn't change.
Change.
And then she don't have any more clients. So you have to change.
Yes.
Time change, fashion change, you change.
Yes. Sure.
Okay, you have to all the time look what is trendy now, what is trendy today,
Excellent.
right? Let's see what colors we can use in Arabic bridal. Well, colors such like gold, bronze, deep purple, green, these colors complement the makeup. But be careful. The color must be not hue color, okay? This is not African bridal.
Yes. Yes.
This is Arabic. So the color must be as the accent, not full eye green or full eye gold. As the accent, you can add in the crease burgundy color. You can add ruby or the
Black.
green into low lash line, okay, or in the middle of the eye because she's wearing the jewelries, okay.
Yes. Yes.
So you have to look, the colors in makeup has to be as the accent,
Excellent.
okay, not fully colorful.
Okay.
Because Arab women like earth colors,
Okay.
like a brown, sand, all natural colors.
Okay.
But still, we can use colorful. Eyebrows. What is important for Arab women in eyebrows? Well, the same like eyes. Eyebrows. With the eyebrows, you show your emotion.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
When you're angry,
Yes.
when you're happy, or you're surprised, you show your emotion.
Very true. True.
So, eyebrows is very important. And in Arab world, it's forbidden to pluck the
Dark.
eyebrows.
Okay.
Is forbidden. Yes, you cannot pluck. That's why they have very intensive eyebrows. Okay. Of course, they taking care of them. They make them very fine, very good. And Arab eyebrows very bushy, very strong. So you have to, without pulling out, you have to very nicely enhance.
Natural.
So you have to use a gel to fix them nicely, yes, to make them neat, okay? Now, what was 10 years ago, like these eyebrows,
Very dark.
dark and framed,
Frame.
not popular anymore, okay? You just need to brush it out,
Natural.
fix with the gel and fill it up gaps.
Yes.
That's all.
Okay.
You don't have a hard work with Arab eyebrows
Okay.
because they have natural, very nice eyebrows. Yes, but make sure you not make too dark because they already dark.
Okay.
So if you use black pencil, oh my god, this is catastrophe. Right? If you use to fill it up gaps, use ash
Light brown.
not light brown, ashy brown, ashy
Ashy brown.
brown. Yes, I will show you the color.
Okay.
I will show you the color. Okay, now we talk about face contouring.
Okay.
Contouring, of course, is important for our Arab women because they like to show face features. You need to know that in Arab bridal, they celebrate without covering face or head.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
They celebrate only between women. There is no men.
Okay.
You understand? So they can do the beautiful and enhanced faces and show it because they between women
Okay.
celebration. Okay.
Okay.
So they really like to show the bone structure. You know, these days also operation they do, things, but they love a strong contouring and especially nose contouring
Nose contouring.
to make it smaller, thinner.
Smaller. Yes.
Yes.
So cheek contour.
Yes. So what we contour? Chin, cheek bones, cheekbones to lift this part.
Lift this part.
Nose contouring. Okay.
Small. Yes.
To make it smaller, you can see. Yeah, you can see to make it smaller. And lip contouring. Lips make the full. Okay. And for the contouring, of course, we have to use dark shade, highlighter, and blush. Blush last 2 years ago was so strongly popular. Now it's a little bit going down.
Okay.
Not too much blush. Enough, but not too much.
Okay.
So more into natural.
Natural.
Be coming back in the natural makeup.
Okay.
We don't want, women don't like anymore drastically change their features.
Yes.
They don't like anymore. Lips. Because eyes is focal point, yeah, lips should complement the look, not put more drama. Because eyes already drama,
Yes.
so lips must be more natural options and more balance for the eyes. So we use a more nude colors, but the nude doesn't mean just the brown. Okay, it can be into burgundy nude, into pink nude, into peach nude.
Yes.
All this nude have undertone of the color. You see, it's not only brown.
Okay.
Huh? This is like a creamy shade, this is like a burgundy, this is pink, this is like a peach. And of course, lip liner
Lip liner.
is important. Lip liner is important, but must be blended. Yeah, you don't see lip liner here, you see only in the edge. Correct, here is blended into lip.
Okay.
Right. Any questions so far?
I understand. You explain very smoothly, clearly.
Okay. I also want to show more variations of, but I need to see if my I want to open Pinterest and show, but my Pinterest a little bit stuck. Sorry about that. I just have to reload the computer.